Hello, this is Nick George with Clouds Diamond Sharpening. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. Been kind of busy. But here we go. We're going to do a 5-in-1 wall 5-in-1 clipper blade sharpening. It's the only 5-in-1s I can sharpen because Unlees rivet their cutter on their platform, so you can't sharpen the cutter, and you have to sharpen both sides of the blades for it to cut correctly. Alright, enjoy the video. I actually resharpen 5-in-1 blades. I don't refurbish them. I don't replace parts unless they need them. So we get up to these three and we look at them, and that piece is broken off. That piece is broken off, and one of the ears over here is broken off. So you gotta replace them. Once again, I actually sharpen these blades sharper than when they come from the factory. And if you like diamond blades, they're great blades if you don't ever get them sharpened. If you get them sharpened, they're exactly like the silver ones, except more expensive. They stay sharper when they're brand new, longer, and that is the only difference. So you pay more for these to stay sharper one time. So once they're sharpened, they're identical to the silver ones. They're equally as sharp. They stay the same sharpness from my sharpening and the pattern of my wheel. Enjoy this video. Time to take them apart. Okay, I'm going to show you the difference between a diamond Okay, so if you can't find a sharpener, these are great because they have this hard black paint on them that only works for one time. Once this wears down, the black has to be convex, and it'll need to be reshaped once the grooves get in there from using the blade. See, so this is a black one that's sharpened before, and you have to sharpen both sides to get them to cut correctly. So if you can't find a sharpener, these are great because they stay sharper longer. Not sharper, just sharper longer. And if you have a sharpener, I recommend just buying these silver ones because they're cheaper, and you have to sharpen them anyway. So if you can't find a sharpener, these are great. Go ahead and buy these because they'll last longer. If you do have a sharpener, I recommend buying these because they're cheaper and they get just as sharp. They just don't last as long the first time because they're not painted. But anyway, it's up to you, so just thought I would let you know. See, the black wears away anyway, even if it isn't sharpened. And the silver. So eventually it'll have to be sharpened anyway. Now to sharpen, I'm just going to sharpen a few because time-lapse videos take a lot of memory. And yeah, so I'll just sharpen a few on here. Or show a few on here. Beautiful. See the lip still there? That's where the diamond takes effect, with that polishing instead of grinding sharp. I can get them sharper than refurbished blades or even new blades. But don't take my word for it. Just try me out. Send it in today. Do not delay. Results. Alright, I'm going to test these 5-in-1 blades. They are trimming blades. They're really not clipper blades. How I can tell, see how thin that is, and it's a trimming cutter. See how fine that is? So it doesn't really cut this string, but it cuts hair. But I sharpen them and they still cut the string. So we'll just go ahead and try a few. Here's my Barber. So my uncle never even tests them with the string because it's too thick of string. So he usually tests on his arm or something where it's finer hair. But if they cut the string, they for sure cut hair. So I like to try to make them all cut the string. And that's probably why everyone likes my 5-in-1 sharpening. Once again, don't take my word for it though. Just go ahead and try me out and send them. You notice I engage the blades while it's running. It's better for the motor. It doesn't have to push so much electricity or battery through the motor just to get it to run. These ain't as important, but for sure, like a Unlees or an ostrich clipper, full-size clipper, you should engage your blades running. I have videos to show you why and how, but anyway, I usually keep my clippers running all day, or while I'm checking them. I have a video on how to disengage these correctly, and what I do is you can turn it off so it doesn't chew up your finger, and then I pop it from the teeth off. See, these springs give away and it doesn't break these platforms. If you pull it off straight or from the bottom, you're going to break that, and then you're going to be buying a platform. They're $3 or $4.99. $3.99 or $4.99, I can't remember, but the little fibers in the string, like hair, sort of. See y'all later. Have a good day. Keep it sharp, keep it looking good, and keep them coming in. 5-1s all day. Fun, fun. See y'all later.